probably a little too wiped out to do much of anything.
Good girl. What a good girl.
You don't want to put anything else?
What?
I thought you had your computer case.
No. Good girl. You gonna cough some more? Huh? A little bit more? Yes, a good girl. What a good dog. That's a good puppy.